Taiwanese left-handed batter Sung Chae Cheng taking the first pitch fastball from Vreeling, low for ball one. Cheng, who is the number 7 ranked Pirates prospect, 22-year-old, who stands 5'7", 173 pounds in his 4th minor league season. The 1-0. Cheng takes. Vreeling's 1-1. Taken low by and ahead in the count here. Fouls back to 2 on offering, his 7th loss compared to 7 wins. 2-2. Bounced up the third base side. It's going to roll foul before reaching Max Burt. This one kind of screwed in. 2 balls, 2 strikes. Vreeling fires home now. And Cheng pops it up into the seats down the left 5 first pitch. 2-2 coming. Missed outside, did Vreeling. 15 of the first inning for Vreeling. And Cheng swats it down the left field line, sinking. Powers home with 3-2. And it's outside, 4-4. So Vreeling loses the 9-pitch battle. Cheng reaches base with a full count walk. 2-out base runner for the starting catcher, cleanup man Abraham Gutierrez to work with.
Number 27, Abraham.
Command number again into this week. 0-1. Hardman chops it on the left side of the infield, diving past it's McAdoo, and then the throw from the shortstop Cheng to second base, barely in time as Hardman reaches on the fielder's choice. Really nice job by the shortstop Cheng to cut down the lead runner. A sliding throw from left field.
Wow. That looked a hit in the 6 hole no matter what. Heads up baseball by Cheng. Same thing with Pichardo, the second baseman, to be there on the bag.
1-0. Flores grounds it down to the same spot. Cheng's there again, throws to second again, and gets another force out, and the inning is over. So Po Yu Chen works around a 1-out walk, and on the left-handed batter digs in and looks to bunt the first pitch. It dribbles foul to the right of home plate. We visit with Charlie Quinn from Bernardsville, New Jersey at Bernards High School. And you're 100% right. There's no right or wrong way to go about a sports broadcasting career. Everyone's path is extremely different.
Yeah, and I wasn't expecting this. I was expecting to be...
Well, the next batter is going to be yours, Tristan Vreeling.
Right.
Deals the next offering to Cheng, who lines it high in the air to straight center field, sending Richardson a few steps back toward the warning track, and he reaches up to put it away. So there's 2 outs, top of the 4th inning. No score. Abraham
Gives an odd set. 0-2. Breaking ball grounded sharply right side. Pichardo a step to his right. Throws on a second for 1 on to first in time. Nicely done. The 4-6-3 double play to retire the side, and the 1-out single is erased. We are still scoreless as we head to the 6th on Fox Sports New Jersey. Second, big time scoring threat. Only scoring threat so far today for the Curve. First pitch. Popped up, sky high on the infield. Cowles just to the left of the second base bag. Drifts under it and takes a couple steps back before making the play to retire the side. No
9 of their last 10. 1-0. Richardson with a broken back grounder up the middle. The shortstop Cheng reaches down and fires a running throw to first base. Richard in 8 innings pitched with 9 strikeouts. And his 0-1 is grounded again to short. Cheng's there, stops, throws to first base, and Wagner's out. 2 down. Cheng, the lefty, digs in. And the righty's first pitch is swung on and fouled straight back. On a 94-mile-per-hour heater from Raiselman. Count starts 0-1. It's an Altoona team that's won 9 out of 10 games entering the All-Star break. Sets, here's the 0-1. Cheng swings and misses through another fastball. He deals an 0-2. Upstairs to Cheng on a 3rd straight fast. RA as a senior in high school. And his 1-2 is upstairs on another fast. And the 2-2 coming. Cheng swings and misses down to a knee. Flores picks the ball up out of the ground, throws to first base. A slight hop from Hardman to snag it on the breaking ball in the dirt. He officially throws Cheng out for strike 3. Slider in the dirt from Raiselman after he pumped in 4 straight heaters, and there's 1 down in the 9th inning.
Patriots bullpen has been a big bright spot of this second half. Raiselman, freshly promoted from high A and under the radar guy.